What's up, guys? So I got the BMS cold air intake I'm gonna be installing in my 335. So I gotta take out all this to put the cold air intake in, which I'm gonna show you how to do now. So first you want to take out these screws. So I was able to get away without taking these off. So what I did was I loosened this clamp right there, and then let's see if I can get you guys a shot of this. There's one back there I can't get, and then these 3 wires are hooked up on this air box. You have to unhook them, and after that this should just come right out. So this was the other clamp I was telling you guys about. It should loosen. It's back there, and then here's the front one. So pretty much one cold air intake goes in there and one goes in here. Pretty simple install. So this is the cold air intake, and you have to put this piece in. So this just slides right in. It only goes down a certain amount, and then you gotta tighten this, but don't over tighten it. Just so it's snug. So you're gonna take one of these, and you're just gonna slide it right here into this part. It's a tight fit, but it makes the engine bay look a lot cleaner and better, and you don't have that factory airbox anymore. But yeah, there you go. So make sure you tighten this clamp back here, and the one down here, and all you had to take off was this brake booster. Make sure you put that back on. I think that's what it is. And I slid these right out, and then these I left in. I didn't take this out. This can stay. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it.